Imagine gasps of amazement, astonished friends, and jaws on the floor. Who else wants to discover the astonishingly simple secrets to mastering mentalism effects and magic tricks, in less than 30 days, guaranteed? This revolutionary step-by-step mentalism mastery method slashes your learning time, and will have you astonishing people tonight, even if you've never done mentalism or magic in your life. If you've ever dreamed of breaking away from the pack, and quickly mastering mentalism and magic at a level that blows away even hardcore professional mentalists and magicians, then this is gonna be the most exciting message you ever read. Here's why: one of the most sought-after pro-magicians and mentalists in the biz has finally agreed to share the amazing, master mentalism magic shortcuts that other magicians and mentalists have paid a fortune to learn from him. And some of these pros are pissed off that he's revealing these secrets to people outside the magic and mentalism industry. They don't want guys like you to know that the skills behind their killer magic tricks and awesome mentalism and mind control stunts are actually easy to master once you have the shortcuts. Some of these veterans feel their careers are now threatened. These are the secrets that can take any mentalist or magician at any level, even just starting out, and launch you into a whole new world of amazing skills that will leave other magicians and mentalists in awe. You wanna crack the magician's code, revealing the secret skills that keep guys like Criss Angel, David Blaine, David Copperfield and Darren Brown astonishing people year after year, and yet not have to suffer the years of failure before finally being able to perform at the level that most mentalists and magicians fear. You wanna astonish people with fresh, powerful and nasty tricks and illusions they'll remember for the rest of their lives? You want the kind of permanent skills that earn instant respect and make doing magic and mentalism fun again? And you want to be able to begin using your new skills tonight, in the heat of a performance? Well, guess what? It can all be yours, faster and easier than you ever dreamed possible. Because these shortcuts work for anyone, whether you're a shy kid who's never done a magic trick in his life, or a veteran magician or mentalist who's hit a stale plateau and desperately needs to get to the next level. All the truly killer skills and abilities will be yours. It's all about the shortcuts. Here's the story: Mr. X is the go-to guy when professional magicians have a television special or a stage show coming up and they need to quickly develop some new material for their show. He's been called the secret weapon behind the coolest shows ever done. And he's freaking expensive, too. Superstars will delay the start of a new show until Mr. X has time to go over the details with them. So you know he has a vision, wicked skills, and a cunning bag of tricks that keep him at the top of the game. But he's also one of the most hated guys around. Let's face it, not everyone in the industry appreciates Mr. X sharing the secrets behind their skills with people like you. If they could, they would lock Mr. X up someplace where no civilians could ever find him. This is why he refused to release this material without using an alias, which is why he's only referred to as Mr. X. But he also believes that the elite LA, Las Vegas, New York and London crowd shouldn't be the only ones that have access to these powerful insider secrets. So now you'll have access to training from the most sought-after and expensive teacher around. Because he can take a raw 12-year-old kid and have him constantly astonishing everyone he comes across in no time flat. So just imagine what he can do for you and your already badass magic and mentalism. This will change your life immediately. Even more amazing, the skills he reveals are so simple, you can begin doing mind-boggling magic tricks and illusions starting as soon as you receive master mentalism with total confidence and flair. Again, mentalism, magic tricks, mind reading, levitation, hypnotism, illusions, any style of magic or mentalism you're into just explodes and comes alive before your eyes. And you are suddenly the mentalist and magician in your town. Other guys will want to go home and burn their decks of cards and magic gimmicks in frustration. You will own any room you walk into. Here's what we've got for you. The second Mr. X agreed to share his secrets, we put him up in a Las Vegas hotel. We locked him in the hotel room while he was revealing all his secrets to quickly mastering mentalism and magic. Everything, including simple tricks that will have you astonishing people starting tonight, the super shortcut magic and mentalism system you can use on stage, in the streets or anywhere, which guarantees you can perform mind-numbing magic and mentalism with total confidence. Don't waste a second learning anything complicated that you'll never use. Instead, Mr. X shows you only what you need to know. The best part, it's easy, the way he teaches it. Move like lightning through the 3 stages of magic and mentalism mastery, from no clue at all to this is easy in just a few short hours, and then on through impress all your friends to the point you scare them. This is sudden expertise that most magicians and mentalists never dream they can attain in a lifetime, yet you'll be performing with total mastery almost overnight. Instantly learn the insider techniques behind Criss Angel, Darren Brown, David Blaine and David Copperfield, just to name a few. Super popular stuff that will give you smoking audience appeal right off the bat. How to think just like the pros, the one skill that separates the really talented mentalists and magicians, who make each routine shine and leave people begging for more, from the wannabes, who use the same old tricks over and over, because they can't think out of the box. This skill alone will launch you into a whole new level of killer abilities. The brilliant X factor, that allows you to quickly master the coolest tricks and illusions you'll ever use, and most of them will be unique, your own personal mentalism and magic signature. This kind of strategic performance is so simple, you'll kick yourself for not figuring it out on your own. But almost no one ever does figure it out until they're shown the technique by a pro like Mr. X. Priceless stuff that will change your life on the spot. And a ton more, stunningly explosive techniques you can use tonight to pull off magic tricks like Criss Angel or David Blaine. Darren Brown mentalism feats or large-scale David Copperfield-style illusions that give you instant magic and mentalism credentials, hypnosis methods that work the first time you use them, how to do street magic or levitations on the fly, forget about having to plan everything out ahead of time, here's all you need to know, plus pro decision-making tips so you know how and when to plug new tactics into your routines for maximum effect. It just goes on and on. Magic, mentalism, illusions, hypnosis, levitations, spoon bending, remote viewing, mind reading, card tricks, and tons of variations that will instantly give you unique killer abilities. Plus, Mr. X shares the secrets behind some of the greatest magic and illusions of all time, including how David Copperfield made the Statue of Liberty disappear and various other magic classics. If you've ever wondered how the magic you see on television is done, this is the answer to your prayers. This is huge, life-altering info for working magicians and mentalists. You also get complete interviews with pros Criss Angel and David Blaine. But don't worry, although comprehensive, with the way everything is laid out, even the most stupefying tricks come alive, in simple and easy to master ways. This is the work of the best teacher in the game, who specializes in taking even rookie kids and turning them into mentalism monsters almost overnight. It's all included in this special Master Mentalism package. The main guide is over 200 pages long and put together so you get Mr. X's undivided attention. You can quickly learn everything he's teaching. There's never been anything like this in the history of magic and mentalism for people outside the inner circle of the industry. Even better, the entire program is delivered instantly online. Since you receive everything immediately, there's no waiting for anything to be shipped. Everything is provided in a universal format so it works on any computer without any headaches. This means you can literally be going through the material 10 minutes from now. Even the most advanced professionals agree, Mr. X is the best thing to happen to magicians and mentalists who want to master the art fast. And he put it all down within Master Mentalism. How much? A drop-dead bargain. Mr. X's non-negotiable fee for private face-to-face lessons is a minimum of $1,000 for each 2-hour session. What you get in this special package is worth $1,500 in private lessons. It's packed with all the tricks, tactics, tips and shortcuts that he's learned from years at the top of the mentalism and magic scene. For details, click the link below.